What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakia if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to wash my own car. Have I ever washed a car? Yes. Have I washed my car? No. Have I filmed it? No. So this is gonna be a little difficult, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try not to get my camera wet first and foremost. If you didn't know, in my last video, I bought a car, which is super exciting. It's like something I've been wanting to do for so long. Yeah, so the plan of this video is basically to wash my car and do it in my yard, because I bought this like Armor All kit thing right here that comes with a protectant, glass wipes, the wash and wax, and then some tire foam. This is what I'm going to be using to wash my car. But when it comes to vacuuming my car out, I kind of have to go to a car wash for that. And the only car wash in my area that has a vacuum cleaner, the vacuums come free with a car wash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my car with this, just for the aesthetic, the fun, the entertainment of this video. And then I'm probably just gonna drive through a car wash and vacuum my car out at the car wash. I will be laying my new rugs down in my car as well, so that's gonna be super exciting. As far as that's it. That's basically what this video is going to be about. I'm about to go outside and get everything set up, and I will see you guys outside. Okay, so I know the lighting is not the best. My house has really good shade, so I'm kind of standing in the shade right now. And someone is getting a tree cut down, so we love that. Okay. We're just not gonna get out of that sound. That sound's gonna be in this video, and I'm really sorry. I really hope you can still hear me, but I'm gonna show you a before of my car. It's really dirty, and like I said, it's white, so the dirt really... I think I'm just gonna do a voiceover. I don't know, because this is... I don't know if you can hear me, and I'm not trying to sound stupid. I'm kind of hiding behind a branch because they can like kind of see me, so I'm hiding like behind this branch. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a before and after of the car, but I'm gonna show you the before right now. My car is white and dirty. Oh, they stopped. So I'm gonna be showing you a before of the car right now. Okay, so this lighting is not the best, but I just showed you the before. We're about to actually wash the car. I'm waiting for my sister to go get the bucket. Wait, is it even in frame? Is it even in frame? Yeah. Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's concrete. You see how boring that is?
Yeah.
whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci?
So I'm back from the car wash. I did go ahead and just drive through the car wash just because the vacuum was free with the car wash. So yeah, we did that. I filmed it on my phone because I left the camera at home, so I'm pretty sure you just finished watching that footage. As of right now, I'm about to do two things. Because I did vacuum out the car, I do want to show you guys what that looks like. Wait. As you can see, there's like no dirt on the floor whatsoever. I'll give you like a more in-depth like view of it when I'm putting these rugs down. But these are the rugs that I picked up. They're pink and they have like this silver detailing on it that kind of matches my steering wheel cover. It is by this company right here, if you are wondering. I don't know if it's local or not. I'm not even sure. But you can see it. That is what it looks like. Not the city bus. Okay, so yeah, these are the rugs I'm gonna put on the floor. And I'm also going to be using this product right here. It's by the company Armorall. It's basically like a headlight restoration wipe. It makes your headlights look like go from that yellow tint to like that silver. And as you guys know, this is an older car, so my headlights are a little bit yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as well. My sister just walked outside. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It's really hot and I'm in direct sunlight, so yeah, let's get started. Oh my god, Nicole, look at my rugs. Oh my god, they're so cute. And they match the steering wheel.
Those are cute.
They like the perfect size. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what the rugs look like. They match the steering wheel cover. I do have two of them in the back as well. I'm gonna clean this trash up and then we're gonna do that headlight thing. Okay, basically this is what my headlight looks like right now. It's like very foggy and it could be a lot brighter. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out and see if it works. I'm not gonna really talk through this just because it's gonna be a process, but that dude was all in my face. But yeah, we're gonna, yeah, here's the before. That dude was leaning out the freaking car in my face. God, leave. It's so freaking hot, it's crazy. Okay, so basically after you wipe it with this thing, it's still gonna be dirty, but once it starts like looking like this clear, you go in with the second step. It's a UV sealant protectant, so it's supposed to make it extra shiny. So just for a little reveal or whatever, I'm going to show you the one that I haven't done, and then I'm going to show you the one that I did do, and then you can tell me if there's a difference. I don't know. So this is the one that I didn't do. You can really like barely see through it. It's yellow. This is the one that I did do. You can see it's a lot more clearer. It still is foggy on the inside, but I feel like it's just because it's an old headlight. But I definitely feel like it made a difference. Okay, so I'm in my car now. I'm looking a hot mess. I just wiped all of this down. You kind of probably saw a little bit of it, but officially I'm done. Like, not done, like there's other things I want to do to my car, but I kind of didn't order it in time, so I have to do a whole separate video on that, which I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be excited to see because you really like my last car video. Basically, my rugs, I want to put like some scrunchies or something right there. I might use this one. Okay, so I put a scrunchie right here because I thought it was cute and it was on my head, so but yeah, I'm gonna show you what my car looks like. Obviously I have shoes on, I have my steering wheel cover, I have my rugs down on the floor, and I have them in the back as well. You can barely see it. I do have another air freshener back here which is cherry flavored, but I do have two more, like right, I have one right here and then I have one over there. So it definitely smells good in my car. Like, don't be thinking my car be stinking, because it really don't. I do have an older style radio which I don't actually mind, but I did bedazzle this part. This is how you turn the radio on and turn it off. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but yeah, this is basically it for my car right now. If you're wondering what my next car video is going to be, I'm going to be buying some more accessories, some very trendy accessories. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's definitely been a long day. I started this video at like 8 something and it's currently like almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:59. But I've accomplished everything that I wanted to accomplish today. I washed the car, I restored the headlights, I washed my tires, I vacuumed it out, drove to a car wash, manually washed it, and I did rugs, and then I wiped down the interior and everything. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.